Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So I'm about to share with you my new makeup finds of TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Let's begin. They had these two new palettes from Morphe x Jaclyn Hill, Armed and Gorgeous for $9.99, and also this one, this is Bling Boss. This is also for $9.99. And they had this Buxom Wanderlust Glow Highlighter back in stock in the shade White Russian. These are for $7.99 each. Also, they had this palette, Opening Night Cheek Palette from Laura Mercier for $29.99. And also this Vitality Cheek Flush from It Cosmetics in the shade Magical Mauve for $12.99. And from brand Lorac, they had this palette here, Unzipped Brazen. That's how the shades are. This is 5 eyeshadow palette, and it also has a dual-ended brush. This is here for $7.99. And they had this mini palette here from NARS for $9.99 in the shade Quartz. And from brand Revolution, they had this Define and Fill Brow in the shade Dark Brown for $3.99. And they had these new palettes here from Revolution, Birthday Cake Cookie Shadow Palette, and also Red Velvet Cookie Shadow Palette as well. These are for only $4.99 each. And they had this really cute palette from Revolution. This is Beauty and the Beast face palette. Look at this packaging, how cute it is. This is here for $7.99, and that's how the shades are. And they also had these really cute palettes here. These are Tasty Burger palettes. So I found vegan steak and grilled cheesy. How gorgeous these packagings are, you guys. I'm in love. These are for only $4.99 each. And they had this as well here. This is a triple baked bronzer, very cute packaging for $3.99. Also, they had this new palette here by Revolution. You can kind of see the shades. This is also for $4.99, and hot chocolate highlighter as well for $3.99. Also, they had these really cute ones, so fun. These are Heartbreakers shadow palettes for $3.99 each. And they had these Milani Stay Put eyeliners in 3 different shades. You can see the shades. These looks really nice for only $2.99 each. And they had this new brand here, Well People at TJ Maxx. I found this bio-based baked foundation for $5.99. This one was in the shade medium golden, and also they had this foundation stick as well. This also looks really nice. I don't know this brand, but this stuff looks really nice. This was in the shade pale ivory for $5.99. Also, they had these 2 different lipsticks from brand Rodile. I don't know this brand as well. These are for $5.99 each. And they also had more new to me Morphe goodies here. So I found this really pretty looking 1971 Coca-Cola The Unity Collection Morphe palette here. That's how the shades are. This is here for $14.99. And also I was super excited to see these really cute looking Lip in Harmony 4-piece mini lip gloss set. How gorgeous these shades are, very wearable and pretty, and love this packaging. These are here for $7.99 each. And they also had this really gorgeous looking palette here, Mary Ziegler The Imagination palette. This is also a eyeshadow palette. That's how the shades are. This is here for $14.99. And they had this new shade here for Morphe lipstick, very pretty shade for $3.99. And I was so thrilled to see this many Shiseido Visionary Gel lipsticks in a lot of different shades. So all of these are different shades. I love this formula, you guys, and these are here for only $9.99, and I found a bunch of different shades, which is really exciting. They also had couple of these Cover FX pressed mineral foundations in 2 different shades. These are here for $9.99, and these are the 2 shades I found here. And also they had this perfect pressed powder as well for $9.99 in the shade medium. From Lorac, they had this palette back in stock. We have seen this in the past, going for $7.99. They also had a bunch of Milani primers, Prime Perfection, Prime Light, Prime Shield, and Prime Correct. These are here for only $2.99 each. And also they had this new product here from e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Sticks in 2 different shades for $2.99. And this little corrective concealer kit as well for $2.99. And from brand Peter Thomas Roth, they had this new kit here. It looks really nice. So it has a cleanser, peeling gel, and also a mask and moisturizer, and also a serum. This set is here for $29.99. And they also had this little acne face and body scrub here for $14.99. And I also found this Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind little kit. So it has a shampoo and conditioner, perfect size to give it a try for $9.99. And they had this Farewell Frizz hair care kit. This is also here for $9.99. And from Pericone MD, they had this The Greatest Hits little set. I really like this brand. Their skincare is pretty nice. This set is here for $29.99. And they had this Versace Yellow Diamond perfumed shower gel. This is here for $19.99. From Honest Beauty, they had this new Everyday Radiance moisturizer here for $8.99. Love this brand. And this brand Hey Honey, it sells at Sephora. I found this toner from them. This is for all skin types and going for $7.99. And from brand Tony Moly, they had this clean dewy foam cleansers in red grapefruit and lemon. These are super affordable for only $3.99 each. They had these Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream plus Retinoid Oil sets here at TJ Maxx. We have seen this in the past. You guys, this is pretty good value. You get a full size of moisturizer and also a oil serum. This is here for $16.99, but these are not fragrance free one from them. And also from Neutrogena, they had this Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer. This one is with vitamin C for $14.99, and also these two new cleansers here as well for $4.99 each. And I love these really delicious looking ice roll cinnamon bath bombs here. How cute this packaging is, super adorable. This is here for $5.99 and you get 4 bath bombs. And I found a bunch of these Hang Ten for Her perfumes here. Look at this packaging, how cute it is. It looks like a expensive bottle, but you guys, the price tag was insane for this. These are for only $2.99 each. I don't know how it smells, but very affordable. And they had these very cute looking Halloween little lashes. How cute these are. So I found this. I put a spell on you, these ones. How pretty, with little spiders as well. And also they had these ones, Bootyful 2-pack lash set. This one is also really pretty. These are for only $3.99 each. And they had a tons of these Morphe brushes here, a lot different ones, eyeshadow, face, whatnot. These are very affordable, between $3.99 to $6.99. So this is it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this little tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye bye.